Discord, you should be able to see my screen. So you can, like, you know, see what's going
watching.
on. Nice. Yeah, Tim had a face reveal this year. That's true. That's so fucking true. Tim has been so fucking secretive. He doesn't want to show up on anything. And then we were like, we have to get you on stream. And he was like, yeah, I'll be on cam. And we were like, well, really? Oh, digging this. Digging this. So, yeah, I think that was the biggest. I never knew what Tim looked like before that stream, to be honest. Did you, Dylan?
Never seen him before in my life until that stream.
Neither.
I had to tune in.
Yeah. So that was
That's
wild.
not true. That's not. We're being silly, Snoot. We're being snilly. We gotta cut it out. People are gonna think we're serious.
Is the VOD? I'm really bad at saving the VODs, but I don't think the VOD is. It might be available still. It's from 2 weeks ago. There are a bunch of clips though. So, is Tim your boss? No, Tim left KoshSheen to do better things.
Tim is a boss.
Yeah,
but
he is a boss. That's what it is. No, Tim used to be CEO for KoshSheen Publishing, and he used to be a producer for Satisfactory. But now he's doing other things. All right, so let's jump into community highlights. This is my favorite part of the stream, because we get to see what people in the community do. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. So
Tim Sweetie noticed you. That was a highlight.
Oh, dude, that was epic. I still haven't gotten to follow me on Twitter though. That's the biggest. I've been on the path for 2 years now, trying to get Tim Sweeney to follow me on Twitter.
This is topical. We were talking about MySpace earlier. I actually had Tim Sweeney as my hero on MySpace.
Oh, really?
Back when I was like 17. Wait. Yeah.
Really?
Long time ago. Yeah.
Wow.
Him and John Carmack.
I didn't know Tim Sweeney was on MySpace like that.
Well, no. I called him out by name. You know, I was like, you put your heroes in the bio, all your favorite bands, all the cool bands.
I'm glad that that's out on the internet now, so everybody knows.
Yeah, I'm glad. I wanted to. Why did I say that?
Everyone else is like, oh man, I love Aerosmith or whatever, and Dylan's like, yay, Tim Sweeney. When you're 17, dude, when I was 17, I was like, didn't even know what programming was.
I was modding Unreal back then. That was my
damn.
I was really cool in high school, wow. So
Dylan is fucking OG apparently. All right, let's jump into community highlights.
Yeah, let's do it.
So first up, we have from Alex88FR, becoming a regular now. They made this sick ass factory. I'm pretty sure we showcased this last week as well or something, but this is from a different angle. Yeah, they're just riding around in their little pimped out factory cart. Yeah, you got anything to say for yourself, Dylan? I'm reaching for a comment here.
No, I was admiring the aesthetics.
Yeah,
I really like the color.
It's very white.
It looks pretty slick.
Yes.
Pretty slick.
Gray and white. That's my color scheme. I always, as you can see, I dress.
And apologies, I accidentally closed the window. So fighting my way to get it back open. That was why I was so slow.
Sick ass factory. So they make asses. That makes sense. Next up, we have from Danche 629. Made this like a beast of a bridge, or I guess. A lot of storage containers, a fair amount of
oh my god,
pasta.
Yeah, I was just noticing the pasta up top.
Jesus Christ. I love how like it's super organized at the bottom of the bridge, and like on the top it's like it's business bottom, non-business.
It's a little al dente up top there.
Yeah, it's all partied up top. Dutch spaghetti, yeah. So really cool. I like the aesthetic of the elevators, and I also love the random Christmas presents just randomly placed in the world. We're gonna see a lot of that.
It's also funny when you just like when I've been testing flying out of the map and you just look down and there's just fucking raining gifts on the entire world.
I just noticed behind all the pasta there's also a wall of more lifts. Jesus, it's a lot of lifts. Is that like a main belt or is that
might
the factory?
Be too many lifts actually.
I might want to confiscate your key there. But anyway, really nice. Next up, we have from Smirkin, who Wait, why is the... Oh, never mind. Smirkin used the fart gas, or like the gas in the level, as like a photo filter, kind of.
I was wondering if I was like, is that a mod or
Yeah,
did we put that in and I didn't know about?
Yeah, no, Smirkin's
That was really
OG.
cool.
So he used the the fart gas as a filter, which is really creative. It's kind of
That's a big brain moment.
it's a
right
big
there.
brain moment. It's reminiscent of last week when I can't remember their name, but somebody used a bunch of like jump pads at the top of the frame to create the snowing effect.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Which I found
That was
like
clever.
really clever. So is this modded? No. So Smirkin is not a filthy cheater, except he is, because he uses the save editor. But he's playing vanilla, but he's using the save editor. So he's like he's a day walker. Like he does a bit of both. But yeah, he's building some like Ukrainian hospital or something like that, I think. A cheater is a cheater. Mesanos, what's up? Is yeah, the interactive, some cheating involved. Yeah, he doesn't hide it though. He's a cool cat. I'm also hiding his nice little logo there. So yeah, nicely done, Smirkin.
That looks really cool. I like that.
Jumping in, seeing your progress. Next we got from Victor the Robot, who's remodeling.
I was gonna say, are those corpses or is that a remodel?
Man, there's something odd with the. Let me see if I can fix this. There's something odd with the full screen right now. Let's see if I can figure out what the fuck is going on. Maybe it's because I went full screen after I flipped the thing. Maybe not. What is happening? Technical difficulties on our stream?
Never.
What is... No. Impossible. It's kind of weird. I wonder why it's doing that. Oh well. At least I got this cool pointer. How come... Oh, I know why, actually. I just figured it out. You know what? You want to know why?
I'm curious. I'm waiting.
Because I'm using Microsoft Edge.
Ooh. Ooh.
Apparently they've pulled some kind of safety thing. You're a smart man. Pretty sure it's because of that.
That's a little heavy in the sarcasm, isn't it? Laying on kind of thick there, Snoot. Smart man. I don't know.
Yes, that's 100%.
That doesn't seem right. Oh, that's way better.
Yeah, that solved that issue. All right. Good to know. Yeah, I've noticed before there were a few things I couldn't do in the document before when I was using Edge. I had to like jump over to Chrome real quick. I've switched from Chrome, by the way. That's why I'm using Edge. It's actually pretty dope. Recommend. All right. Anyway, Microsoft fanboy. It's more that I don't trust Google anymore.
I mean, I was gonna say I'm kind of a Microsoft fanboy as far as the big tech companies go.
Yeah.
I mean, as much as one can be.
Yes.
I think.
Let's try and not get too political. I hate Firefox. I just have to point that somebody put it. I just fucking can't stand Firefox. The UI in Firefox is so bad. Wait, it's still looking kind of. Oh, it's because like this thing.
Messes up
here.
Yeah.
Google Chrome isn't your default browser. Google does way more than Microsoft does to try and get you to switch to them as your default browser. Like it's every time I use Chrome, I get a notification. That never happened with Edge. I just saying, okay. Anyway, Victor the Robot made this awesome fucking dismantle situation.
That's gonna be fun to clean up.
Yeah, this. I don't want to be that guy, but yeah. I just realized another real quick thing I need to fix. Boy, more technical difficulties. So now it's displaying right in the window, but now OBS is like doing a weird full screen thing. We have time for this. You have nothing to be right, Dylan? Do you have anything anywhere to be?
Oh no, I mean, yeah, I love all your technical difficulties. It's a lot of fun for me.
Shut up, man. I know you like this.
I love it.
This is what everyone tunes in for, really. Oh,
Just your mouse clicks in the background haunting us. Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it?
Oh, I think I fixed it on all the... Nice. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking with gasoline. All right. Yeah, I hate to be the person cleaning this up, though.
Yeah, that would... Yeah, you should be able to, like, move those or something. I'm just thinking about the nightmare that is.
I think you can use the Satisfactory calculator site to, like, select in an area and then get all the items. I think you can select, like, all the boxes, all the personal boxes.
Yeah,
then...
I kind of meant, like, as, like, you know, in the game, though.
Yeah. No, we don't work on the game.
To use this, I mean... Yeah. The editor's great, don't get me wrong. It's amazing.
It's nice that they did this, though, instead of having everything in one box, because there's an issue where if you dismantle a lot of stuff in one personal box and you try to join a session with that, it will, like, get stuck. I don't remember if we fixed that or not.
Yeah, I'm a little... Yeah, it's because of the max array size and max array data size.
As we all know.
Yeah, as we all know. Obviously.
Yeah. All right, next up we have from Dork Chops this handy cheat sheet that I think everybody probably will need from now on the stream. Whenever I hate that it says Snoot's Guide to Satisfactory Machines, because it's not just me doing it, it's Jace as well. Come on, guys, I know what the fucking smelter is. It's mostly the manufacturer and the assembler, which... Yeah. They are switched, right?
Well, okay, smelter is the constructor, right? Oh, God.
Dylan doesn't even know either.
Well, the smelter is the constructor, the manufacturer is the assembler is the manufacturer. Oh, no.
It's bingo.
That's the first I got.
That's a bingo. That's a bingo for me, man.
Oh, man. Yeah. So, in my defense, in code, they're all the same class. So that's what matters.
Oh yeah, that's why I also mix them up all the time.
They're actually all called manufacturers as far as the CPP goes.
Yeah, I need to find this clip. For those of you who don't know what the fuck this is about, this is like I mean, if you've been on our streams, if you've been on any streams really where we looked at community highlights, you know what the fuck is up. But it's funny because last week, or no, not last week, the week prior to that, when we had Tim on. Timon and Poopa. That's another nickname. Wish he still worked here so we could use that. We used to have a lot of nicknames for Tim. Let's see if I can find that clip. Tim pointed out that like me and Jace messed up like one of the assemblers or something. And Tim just made the biggest fucking sigh in the like entire world. And he's like, oh, you guys always fuck this up. Here. 1 second. Let's see if I can bring this over to stream. All right, I'm just going to let this clip play out here. It's a floating
Those are the assemblers.
No, assemblers, yeah.
Come on.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't call... Yeah, Jace, what the fuck? How did you not see that?
Zip plane.
That's so painful. I guess that's like a running meme or something, because you every fucking everything you look at, you name the wrong machine for the wrong. It's not intentionally.
They were sure.
It must be.
Yes, it's intentional. Yes, let's go with it. All right, next up we got from no. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, Tim.
I wonder what he's doing now. Probably something
something awesome.
He's doing like a fucking 360, like he's on a surfboard or something.
He's no-scoping people on a surfboard.
Let's keep it safe. No, that was the person's name who was on screen. Their save file. So yeah, now maybe you understand this whole meme. Anyway, let's move on to BW Bluewing.
That's nice.
Yeah, with this.
That's just nice. That's all that is.
That's just nice.
That's just nice.
I can't argue with that.
Nah, I mean, you'd be a fool to argue with that.
Yeah, I know, right? Really cool. This is on Twitter. Check out their Twitter to see more pictures, because there were more pictures. I love also that the Satisfactory like presence kind of ruined the shot. Can you see it?
Wait, where? Oh, up top.
Yeah, it's like it fell down in the
party.
Yeah, I just like fucking goddamn it. You know, like they were in pain because like I don't want to walk in there like get rid of it and then retake the shot. I'm just gonna take the shot.
Take the shot.
Take the shot. So really nice. We got more FICS MAS stuff though. We got from Elblat, who built a very large Christmas tree. And put the Christmas tree on top of the Christmas tree. I didn't see that until now.
That's awesome.
Holy shit, that's a Christmas tree inside a Christmas tree. That's illegal.
Little known fact, that's actually just our Christmas tree lotted out at far range.
Oh yeah, that's a billboard.
Yeah, it's a billboard, yeah.
It's a huge billboard. They also got a bunch of same thing here, like the fucking presents all over the place. One just spawned there in the bottom. You can see it too. Amazing. Thanks for that, Elblat, for submitting that. We got more presents though. So if you guys remember the present last.
Oh man,
here's like
it's
that.
a big present.
Yeah, it's like a factory present. So they got like that parcel look to their factory, which is I think is pretty clever.
And if you open it up, you get 5 FPS.
Wow, that's what I always wanted.
Thanks, Santa.
And we're like, oh, you're gonna get that no matter what, if you want it or not. And yeah, they're Team Cup apparently. Can't believe it. What is your stance, Dylan? Are you Team Cup or Team Nut?
I was about to say I like Team Snowball from the previous slide.
What the fucker? He's fucking partial.
Well, see, the Nut feels OG.
Yeah.
You know, because we didn't always have the Cup. But the Cup, it's just nice. I might be Cup. I might be Team Cup.
Yeah. This just in, Dylan and I are no longer friends. We're just co-workers now.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah. But this is really clever. I love this design. I love that they got the Christmas the Christmas stuff going on inside a package or a present. So yeah, I love it. Next up we have from 4546B.
Oh my god.
4546, yeah, 456B. I gotta be careful now that Jace isn't here to correct me. Jace is the proper pronunciation guy.
Pronuncier sounds, was he French?
Oh, madame, can I interest you in some presents here?
Pronouncer?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is a work in progress, I assume. It's just a big ass factory with really cool design. It's got that like brutalist style to it.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Really kind of reminds me of that big cement building in New York City that holds, I think, servers. Has like a telecom building. It's
yeah, I think I know
cement.
which one you mean. Because I think that's been on like the front page of Brutalism on Reddit a bunch of times.
Yeah. Yes,
it's really cool. So that's a recommendation, by the way, on Reddit. Kind of like right wing or not right wing. What the fuck? Out of the what's the word? Like
let's get politics out of this news.
Yeah, let's do it. What's the term? Like out of nowhere, under the wing. Is there not a term for that?
From left field?
From left field is the term.
I don't know.
Dude, I don't know where my mind went with that. Holy shit. Yeah, left from right field. I don't know. Whatever.
Left field.
I recommend that Reddit. It's a pretty interesting Reddit. Like it's brutalism. r/brutalism.
You goober. Somebody just called you a goober, man.
Somebody a goober. You goober.
Oh, that's great.
That's fucking amazing.
That's you to a T, man. You are a goober.
No, I'm not. What are you talking about? Yes, I am.
That sounds like goober talk to me.
Yeah, Team Goober. I love it. But yeah, this is awesome. I love it. So thanks for that. 4546B. Cool name. Next we got from KoshSheen, who's brought the FICS MAS spirit.
I was gonna say, I feel like I've seen this bridge before, though.
Yeah, maybe.
Just now it's all decked out for the Yuletide.
I thought you said dicked out. Hell yeah, it's all cyberpunked. It's all dicked out. Topical. Anyway, yeah, really cool. I guess they're also Team Snowball now. I don't know if they did the trick. I think they did, because you can see some of the like smoke particles where they have a jump pad on top of like above them in frame, so you get that snow effect. That clever snow effect.
We should have just added a post process for that.
But then we need to update our photo mode, and then Brain would be happy. We don't want that, so we're just gonna leave.
You can't have that.
No, leave it as it is. Snow dispenser. Yeah, the jump pad is a snow dispenser now. Goodbye frames. Next up we have from Moot411, who has a lot of FOV. FOV. And they built this cool glass house full of wreaths. And a merry-go-round of Christmas stuff. Really cool.
It looked like a little car track, like going around the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
that's pretty clever.
I don't know if they're a dirty cheater and they unlocked all the stuff early, which I don't understand how they could have done that. Is it fully decked out, the tree? Do you play the game, Dylan?
I haven't. I mean, I made the tree actually.
Yeah, is that the final form?
I don't know. I can't.
You can now.
The art changed on it. That's my excuse.
I'm pretty sure there's one more. 18th is the last ornament thing unlock. Pretty sure. Maybe I'm wrong. Just saying the ma'am. But yeah, so you shouldn't be able to unlock everything. But I think this is the current state actually, because I
didn't make the art for the tree. I just made the functionality.
Or is the ornament the last thing you put on it? Whatever. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, next up we got from Philcon. I'm glad we spent so much time discussing that. With more trees.
I like how they're just hooked up, ready to go. Like you're just like milking those trees. Like, screw the aesthetics of it.
Milking those trees.
Got an assembly line going, and true Satisfactory.
That is the scientific term. We are milking the trees.
Yeah, tree milk. Wait, you guys never drink tree milk?
FICS MAS tree milk.
I'm the weird one. I'm the weird one, right?
Love it. Tree nursery. I'm like a delicious tree milk. Yeah, it's good shit. You can also see there's a bunch of cool factories in the background.
Yeah, it almost looks like the White House back there or something.
Yeah, kind of. I think we feature Phil before and I think that's like a display set or something, if I remember correctly. But I don't know. But this is really cool anyways. Next up we got from Prozilla, who's got this cool factory, which is also with a decked out the proper spirit.
Also using our official sign support, I see.
Yes.
And that's
it's finally here, guys.
That's our signs.
Here
that's
it is.
It.
That's signs.
Signs.
We gotta get creative. So really cool.
That's really nice.
I think this is a cheater
like
because
workshop.
I don't think we've unlocked the snowman yet, or have we? I don't know. Fucking moving on. All right, so Cyberpunk finally came out last week, and Redo, our regular, who's been decking out his factory to look at like Cyberpunk, finally put the FICS MAS touch to it as well. Yeah, so this is what Cyberpunk would look like if it had FICS MAS stuff in it. The only thing missing is Keanu Reaves. And I'm digging it. I'm digging all the color vibes. Shrunken vehicles. I think it's just the snow dude guy. He doesn't have a name. Mr. Claus. He's just really big, you know, really, really big. So yeah, love Redo. Whoa. So, speaking of Cyberpunk.
Oh, Snoot.
Jesus Christ, that's not supposed to be there. What the fuck? I just got outed. Let's see. How do I turn off Steam? Boomer Snoot here. How does this work? I thought I didn't show that when you were invisible, but apparently it does. Anyway, moving on. Timing. Yeah, perfect timing actually. That's so funny. So yeah, next up we have from Respawn, who has built this lovely situation with more FICS MAS shit.
Cool.
This must be cheated because the Christmas tree looks way different.
Yeah, that's decked out.
Yeah, I can't believe you, Respawn. Fucking, I thought we were friends, and here you come betray me like that and be like, is it vanilla? Wait, vanilla, but it looks like you've time traveled. Or am I wrong? Am I high? Am I high or just stupid?
Why not both?
Definitely vanilla. Wait, really? What does it look? Well, I'm pretty sure we have. Okay, whatever.
Apparently the last unlock already happened.
Let me just go back
Come
real
on.
quick to this slide real quick. Just want to highlight this slide real quick. You know, this is a theme, okay? All right, let's just get that out of the way. It looks cool regardless. It looks awesome.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, same thing with like the red thing. Sorry, what was that?
No, I was just saying, regardless, it's very cool.
Yeah,
Without all the, claiming people are cheaters.
yeah, it's still cool. You all are fucking dirty. All right, next up we have from Ro. This is really cool.
That's really neat.
Yeah.
Little village.
Yeah, a little village.
Is that a tree farm? Old tree farm over there?
Yeah, they also got like the neighbor battle thing like in the U.S. where like they duke out and who's got the most like pimped out yard with like Christmas stuff, Christmas decorations.
And then like Tim Allen shows up and he's all like, "I got the best decorations." You're like, "Tim Allen, you don't play Satisfactory."
and he's
Get
like,
out of here, Tim Allen.
"Oh?" Yeah, topical. Pretty much. Yeah, it looks lovely. I would love to live there in that neighborhood. It looks like it's got the FICS MAS spirit. Also, next up we've got from Samueras, who it's got this lovely color grading going on as well. But also the color scheme of their factory is amazing. With that little gang sign right here.
I think I saw this on Reddit. Was this on Reddit?
You better believe it was on Reddit. 'Cause
Yeah.
that's where I'm getting
Nice.
most of these from.
I was getting deja vu.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Yeah, and this is their 5x5. Yeah, that's true. So you can see their 5x5 to the right. Which by the
Nice.
way have like a proper rule set now. The community is like unified on a rule set. I was kind of thinking of going into this stream, but I don't think we'll have time for that. But yeah, there's a 5x5 rule set, and once I've read it, I guess we can maybe say it's official. I don't know. We'll see if I like the rules or not. I haven't actually read them yet. So yeah, 5x5 is like we talk about the 5x5 all the time, so I'm just gonna glance over that real quick. So really lovely, Samueras. Well, I dig it. And then we got this Joker.
This is lovely. That's lovely.
They've decorated their factory. Yeah, you can find the 5x5 rule set on satisfactorytips.com. True story. But yeah, this is Vardooman. And I want to ask Vardooman,
amazing.
why did you do this? Look at this garbage. This is a Christmas tree, right? It gotta be.
It's
Yeah.
definitely something.
It is. I'm sure they're proud.
That's more of the hot mess from beneath. Nice.
From beneath, they just turned fucking.
From beneath.
I'm from
North Dakota.
North Dakota.
Oh, don't you know?
Oh yeah. So yeah, it's funny that you mentioned Reddit, Dylan, because thank you everyone for submitting. And if you want your stuff highlighted, I guess we won't get stuff highlighted until next year.
Mhm.
But
And if you want me to just kind of lurk and see your posts that might not get posted, I'll probably see them there.
yeah,
So
I mean
to
we
lurk on
do. We all of us visit the Reddit and check things out. Our producer, when we have like our Monday meetings, he usually grabs like a picture from the Reddit that he sees. But yeah, if you want your stuff to be highlighted on our stream, make sure to use the Satisfactory Screenshots hashtag on Twitter, and use the screenshot flare on Reddit. And then I'll be like, oh shit, look at this cool thing, and then I'll be like, I'm gonna use that in the highlight reel or whatever.
He actually says that verbatim too. It's really annoying.
Yeah.
Every time. Oh shit! I gotta use that.
Yeah, and we also usually highlight a content creator on this stream. And so this week, I'd like to highlight a content creator, because that's what we do in this portion of the stream. And this week, I'd like to highlight KayRaid, who is a very regular Satisfactory streamer. He's really chill. He streams very odd hours for us in Europe. He streams during the day. He streams very late in the US. I guess he always streams at odd hours to some degree, I guess, or not. Maybe the people in Australia watches this. But he's really chill, and I've loved like checking out his streams. He's just really chill. Like that's the best summary I can give.
Just real chill.
He's really
Sounds
chill.
like Barry White when he's
and he's been playing Satisfactory for a long time, so like he is knee deep into it, and he's really positive. And yeah, I'm just gonna show a really quick. Let's see if it jumps to the right time. It almost did. Whoops! What the fuck just happened?
What presents do you have for me? Berries. Nothing. What's this? What's this? Nothing? Nothing? Unbelievable.
Yeah, unbelievable. I can't believe you've done this. So yeah, check out KayRaid on Twitch. You can use the what's the command? It's always Jason does this. CC highlights.
I was thinking the search box.
CC highlight, yeah. So you can hit the link the search box. No, impossible. So yeah, that's the community highlights bit and the CC highlight thing. So thank you everyone for submitting
Awesome stuff.
So yeah, thank you everyone for submitting your stuff to the community highlights, and really thank you everyone this entire year who submitted stuff to our community highlights, or I guess not submitted, but that put shit out there so I could find it. Essentially, it's been wild, like seeing all these crazy builds and like just to see how creative our community really is. Sorry, I think you're out of beans. Wait, who are you talking to? What are you doing?